wonder why a snail carries its house everywhere? Well, it belongs to a family of creatures called mollusks, and today we're going to unravel their secrets. Mollusks, you see, are a fascinating, diverse group of creatures. They're characterized by their soft bodies, which they often protect with hard external shells. And don't let their softness fool you. They're as tough as they come. No backbones, no problem. They've found other ways to thrive and survive in a myriad of forms and habitats. From bivalves like clams and oysters, who keep their soft parts sandwiched between two hard shells, to gastropods, the largest group of mollusks, which includes snails, slugs, and their relatives. Some, like snails, carry their protection around in the form of coiled shells. Others, like certain slugs, prefer a more daring approach, sporting bright colors that scream, "I'm poisonous, don't eat me." Now, aren't you curious to know more about these fascinating creatures and their diverse family members? In the mollusk family, there's no shortage of unique characters. From the slow-moving snails to the colorful sea slugs, let's delve into their intriguing world. Take a look at bivalves, for instance. These mollusks are like the architects of the family, constructing two-part shells that serve as both home and protection. They consume their meals in a rather elegant fashion, filtering nutrients directly from the water around them. Now shift your attention to gastropods. Representing 80% of the mollusk family, these creatures include the likes of snails and slugs. Recognized for their coiled spiral shells, gastropods are the slow and steady members of the family. They may not win any races, but their pace allows them to appreciate the finer details of life, like a delicious leaf or a perfect hiding spot. Isn't it amazing how diverse the mollusk family is? Each member, with its unique features, adds a special touch to the family portrait. You might be wondering, why should we care about these soft-bodied creatures? Well, mollusks play a crucial role in our ecosystem and even our daily lives. Firstly, they are an integral part of the food chain. Many mollusks serve as a food source for a variety of animals, including birds, mammals, and other marine species. But it's not just other animals that rely on mollusks for sustenance. For centuries, humans have also been consuming mollusks. From the scrumptious escargot dishes in France to the oyster feasts in coastal regions, mollusks have found their way onto our plates. Beyond our plates, mollusks contribute to our lives in other ways too. The beautiful shells of many mollusks are often used in jewelry and decorative crafts. Additionally, mollusks are used in scientific research. They serve as environmental indicators, providing valuable insights into the health of our ecosystems. So there you have it. Mollusks, though often overlooked, are vital to our world. So next time you see a snail, remember, it's not just carrying its house, it's carrying a legacy of a diverse and important family.